Welcome to a quick tutorial on the PNC mobile app, 60 seconds to get started. Open the PNC mobile app and sign in with your username and password. Enable Touch ID or Face ID for faster, secure access to your accounts. This is your home screen, balances, recent activity, and quick actions. Tap quick actions to deposit checks, transfer money, or pay bills instantly. Let's walk through mobile deposit, fast, secure check capture in 3 taps. Select mobile deposit, choose the account, enter the amount, then capture front and back. To transfer, tap transfers, pick from into accounts, enter amount, then confirm. Turn on alerts to track balances, deposits, and suspicious activity in real time. Check Security Center for locked cards, account alerts, and fraud protection options. Visit settings for Face ID, account preferences, and secure customer support chat. That's it. Download or update the PNC mobile app and bank with confidence.